shall cut the stones that we have to throw.